Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm gonna show a midi skirt that's very easy to make. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna use this dress to make it. I bought it cheap when it's on sale, but for some reason, I don't wear it. Fold the fabric in half and draw a waist circumference first. It's gonna be an elastic waistband, so at least your hips should be able to go through it. Draw a line, half hips plus 2 to 3 inches. Seam allowance are included. I will draw the skirt length at 23 inches, which is my knee line. I'm gonna use the trapezoid shape of this original dress. Measure the hem and draw a tier double width of the hem by 13 inches long. Cut the lining into 2.5 inches long. The reason why 2.5 inches is because my elastic band is 1.5 inches. Since the top and bottom seam allowance are 0.5 inches each, so it becomes 2.5 inches. If yours are a rectangular cut, fold and sew the waistline by adding a seam allowance to the width of the elastic band. Mine is a trapezoid shape, so it's a little bit confusing. You will need 2 panels each for the skirt and the tier. Sew the sideline of the outer and lining and serge or zigzag. Sew the waistline of the outer and lining. Insert an elastic band into the casing and finish. Let's do a loosen stitch for the tier. Set the length button to max and width button to 0. Pull the upper thread to make gathers evenly. Then pin it to the skirt. And sew. Be careful not to pinch the panels while sewing. Remove the thread of the loosened stitch and serge or zigzag. About the hemming, fold twice and sew. However, this way makes the fabric uneven, especially when sewing thin fabrics. Then do it like this. First, fold the hem and sew it. Then fold it again and sew it again. It's a double stitches on the inside, but from the outside, you can only see one line. Neat, isn't it? It's done. Thank you for watching.